Tell you something. There is no nobility in poverty. I've been a rich man and I have been a poor man.
everyone.
Oops.
It's time
Sorry about
to
the video.
gore the like button. I tangle with bulls and bears.
Good morning and welcome to MIGHTYOX Trading. Happy Wednesday, CPI day. I hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. Give me a minute here and we'll look at the markets that have been falling overnight on war news, although oil really hasn't ticked up much. 73.93 on ES was the high, the low 73.05, so huge range. 88 points if my math is correct. NQ 29.169 all the way down to 28.610. So over 500 points in range there. Copper's been heading down. Ultraviolet kind of sideways as usual. They're boring. Gold. I don't know if we've seen this low in a long time. 41.68. It's dropped over 100 points. And let me just look here quick. This is the lowest we've been on gold since March 23rd. Crude oil has headed up. It has not gotten back above 90, surprisingly. And Bitcoin's sitting around just under 61 now and looking like it wants to fall. So that's where we sit standing, whatever body posture you're choosing to take today. And we're pulling back here. Sorry, I have a quick message I need to send. Ooh, big pop. Big pop. Big pop, big pop, big pop. Trying to find my news page. There it is. The U.S. and other nations issue a joint statement condemning the IRC's lethal plotting and other malign actions in Europe. Whatever that means. Come right back down. ATR sitting at 22. This is before CPI. Back down under 700, 689. Are alive, right? I guess I should have checked. Y'all are quiet today. Why y'all so quiet? Looks like it wants to come down, but I don't really want to trust it. I got trust issues. I should have trusted it. I'll go right back up. We have just 17 minutes until CPI. Where is everybody? Wake up! There's another. Ooh, there's another pop. They were popping, dropping, popping, dropping, pumping, dumping. And right back down, like I said. ATR 22. I don't know. I'm not trusting anything. It's hard to trust today. Wow, what was that? U.S. Iran talks still continue, say Fox News. Hey, Jake. I was beginning to feel alone. Glad you're here. I don't know. I mean, things do slow down. I mean, but I mean, before COVID, you would have days on ES that would move a total of 10 points. So, do I think we're ever going to get back to that? No. Hey, David. Kind of up, down right now. Up and down. I'm still refining it. Yesterday was red. Yesterday I got the bad habits trying to fight the trend. And then things just got so out of whack that I just stopped trading. We're less than 10 minutes till CPI. Excuse me if you heard that. If you didn't hear that, then don't excuse me. I mean, I kind of agree, but we've dumped so much that I don't know. PPI or CPI? And you mean the number? PPI. Hold on. PPI 6.0 year over year, 1.4 month over month was last month's PPI. Yeah, you can't take profit, and my funded futures a lot. And I mean, honestly, I don't trade news anyway. Unless I'm YOLOing something. And I never YOLO a funded, so. Never, ever, ever. Yeah, YOLO evals. Never funded. Yeah, now there's the thought that gets you into bad habits because your brain sees you able to do this, you pass on a big trade or whatever. And like I said, I do it too, so I don't know if this is true or not. But and then you start thinking, well, this is possible in a funded as well. So ATR right now is at 23 on the 1 minute chart, 53 on the 5 minute chart. I got it. SK, thank you.
Extra read all about it. News in a few minutes.
Nice rise here before PPI. We're up 40 points on this 5-minute candle. Morning, Crypticon. Yeah, it's sunny here as well. Crypt is up near Chicago. Right, less than 90 seconds. Or about 90 seconds, I apologize. Interesting rise up here right before. Down here in Central Illinois, they want it in like the low 90s today, I think. Very interesting move here right before CPI. Before this move, I was thinking long, but now I don't know. I paid someone to cut my grass yesterday. All right, fireworks are about to hit. Boom! And it's frozen. Boom! Oh, wow! I should have went long. CPI year over year comes in at 4.2, was exactly the forecast. Everything came in on forecast, or the month over, the core CPI came in a little cool, 0.2 versus 0.3. It's giving a lot back already. We had a high of 939 on that candle. It's already down to 850. It's already starting to give back down to 830. So we've dropped over 100 points. ATR on the 1 minute chart now 40. It's trying to bounce back up. Yep, rising back up. We're now up 210 points, 220 points on this 5-minute candle. We almost touched 29,000 again. 28,990, the high of this candle. Euro's up, gold's up, crude down some. And Q high days 129, 169. So still ways to go for that. As our ATR is almost 50 right now. So remember now we have PPI tomorrow and SpaceX IPO on Friday. Yawning, sorry. Yep, and we're a week away from FOMC. Nice move back down here. Remember, for FOMC, we'll be doing an all-day stream. We will stream, me and Melody will stream both through the announcement, the press conference, all the way up to the closing bell. Be an 8-hour stream for me and about 6.5 hours for her. Doesn't want to die. Continues to try and push up. Apparently, Take Profit Trader is back to 40% off. I didn't even know that until my graphics guy just posted a graphic for it in the Slack. 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 It's a Lego maniac. Oh, sorry. Oh, excuse my yawns, guys. Uh, they brought out a different form of live for traders that are that struggle with live, which has tighter risk limits. That's the only thing I can think of. I mean, besides the fact that they had dropped me, but then they re-added me as an affiliate. Oh boy, just a 50-point purple candle here.
Order submitted.
Trying to break that 9, but it's failing. There it goes, maybe. Come on. It bounces. Dang it. So it got down to 878 and then bounced.
Order filled.
Took it back off for break even. I'm not trusting it. Oh, look at that. All right. That was a good decision right there. Hey, JJR, how are you? trying to come down again, giving me another purple here. Can it break that 9? Nope, it retreats from it.
Order submitted.
Trying it anyway. Someone remind me how bad of a decision this was once I get stopped out. Well, I guess the stop itself will remind me how bad of a decision this was.
Order filled.
3 points. Woohoo! We are just rocking it here. ATR 47, and I'm getting 3 points. It's probably gonna drop, but it just maybe not.
Order submitted.
Re-enter. Tighter stop. No, not really. It's 30 points, so that's not a tight stop. Nope, still didn't break it. This was me being too jumpy, not following my plan.
Order filled.
1 tick. Guess it pads the win rate. Looks like I probably should have stayed in, but choppy with big candles right now. Oh, look at that. Look at that pop. Okay. A little less than 15 minutes to the top of the hour, 45 minutes till the bell. monetization. Alrighty. We're plopping up. Oh. Morning, Ace. Sounds like a perfect morning. We shot up 200 points on NQ. ES shot up 30 points. Hey, John. Good morning. I've made 3 trades so far, and I'm up exactly $3. We're coming down now. Apparently, Tradeovate's having some issues, accounts disappearing. They're aware of it, and they're looking into a fix. So if you have Tradeify accounts and they've disappeared, do not worry, they'll be back again someday. John, you should see if you can work from home next Wednesday so you can trade with us all day when we're here for the FOMC stream. Or call it sick. Nice pop here off that. I should have taken that Dell non-shaded. I don't know why I hesitate on those. Excuse me. Okay, yeah, they're working on it, John. They also, you might need to change your password on your Tradeify if you haven't been in there this week. They had a phishing email that's people somehow got access to their system over the weekend, and I think they're making everyone change their passwords. Oh, excellent! So you could be here with us all day. Me and Melody doing that all day stream. ATR has dropped to 38.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I took the stop. 10 points. So now we're red. Found stuff hard. Yeah, there you go. I think it'd be a great time to get sick there, John. Look at this whooshing down now. So, I mean, I was right earlier, and I should have taken that purple candle again, and I just didn't. I wigged on it. That's okay. Bounces up here at the top of the hour. Thought about taking the long there. I didn't. I have a feeling I'll regret that, but we'll see. Yeah, I kind of regret it. Still drifting down here to around 8:45. Hey, Solid, how you doing?
everyone. It's time to gore the like button.
Maybe a bounce here. Oh, big, look bigger than it is. Let's see what it does. Hit the 9, retreating off the 9. Easier to find my 409. Trying again. Did not take the blue. Let's see what it does. Counting down toward the bell. They're coming to get me. Rising back up. Blue candle did it working pretty well. that I could take my leg off and throw it at him. Hey, Platt, how are you? Oh yeah, Platt, it got fixed that same day, last Monday. The prosthetic place actually came out, picked the leg up, took it back, fixed it, and brought it back to me. Now it's only about I'm only about a mile away. They probably wouldn't have done that if I was like out in the middle of nowhere. Trying to push up here. Morning, USC. How are you? Fun. And we're coming back down. Sent NQ up 200 points. Plat. There's our CPI. Boom. Looked like it was going to come back down and then boom back up. We've trickled a little bit down since, but still higher than where it started. No. I mean, I can't trade news on MFU or take profits funded. So I stayed out totally. And I mean, it was, I didn't really see a setup anyway, but Did it not fire on the Discord? Ah, it didn't. Give me a minute. Let me see what I can do. Not I'll do it manually. Sometimes that bot has some issues. There you go. I did a 4 cent. What do you guys think? First 5-minute candle, red or green today? Remember, if you post on the Discord, you get points. If you're right. No. I mean, solid. It's all in fun. It's not like we're telling anyone to follow anyone's predictions. It's just a fun little game for the Discord engagement program. Should soon see Melody, unless the tech gremlins have her again today. She keeps feeding them after midnight. Hey, there's Melody. Morning, Teo. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How's it
How's
going?
it going?
It's going all right. How are you?
Oh, pretty
Pretty
good.
good.
Everyone survived CPI
this morning, it looks like.
Shot up,
Mostly
Mostly that I don't see you have multi-$100 reds, so that's good.
shot up 200 points, but I stayed mostly out. Guys, are you hearing an echo? For some reason, it's playing the sound through my speaker as well as my mic, and I'm not sure why. Okay, I'll work on it. I don't know why we have the echo. So now I have the tech. You gave the tech gremlins to me.
So sorry.
Let me try something here. Okay, try say something for me, please.
Good morning.
Is that
that
better?
I believe so.
Beautiful.
Ace was here earlier, USC. He said there was no coyotes around, just bunnies. So I think it might have been a trap. Hey, Skeletor. Because if I was a coyote, that's exactly what I want someone to think.
I'm just picturing coyotes like morphing out of a rabbit suit. I don't know.
Ooh, that was a quick move down there. And right back up. Look at that. There's still an echo.
2 minutes till the bell.
See, the problem is when I read well, I remember. I hear CeeLo Green. I remember when. That song, but I don't know the words to it. Anyway, I hope you all heard that in echo.
All right, how about now?
Hope the echo's better. You'll have to let us know in the chat. It does make you crazy. Thank you for telling me that, because I could not even remember the name of the song.
The weekend that we have the holiday, so not this coming weekend, but the following, I'm going to try and get everything streaming moved over to the newer computer. And hopefully that might eliminate some of my occasional tech gremlins. Or might make everything worse.
One or the other, usually. But no, that's good. I feel like we've been talking about that for a while, so It'll be good to get that fully done, or at least started. Right.
Alrighty then. Wow. We're up 100 points. Now the high of the news candle was 992. Overnight high though is I think 169. Let's give it back. Oh, you jumped right into a trade.
Sure did. Kind of regret it. Maybe not. It's a little whippy. I mean, it's right at the open side. I should have known, but. All right. Well, this is great. These are big moves.
Wow. Look at that. I'm just going to copy trade you from now on. Down 60 points on this 1 minute candle, but we are down over 100 from the very top of the last candle. And the 5 minute candle is about to go red. Yep.
There we go.
That was a nice
Trailed
trade.
out. And that's where it's like, okay, so that was on 5 micros, it ended up being about $250. But it is super interesting on this automated stuff. Like, it doesn't feel to me like I'm trading 5 micros, probably because I don't see it specifically. Oh, I just missed that one.
Jake, I believe she's not using time-based. It's range candles, right? Range bars, whatever.
Yep, 52 range is what this one's running on. It can run on anything. I know the people that are using it for the most part, I think they're using either this range or they're also using Renkos now, specifically the Ninja Renkos. I jumped in early on that one. But then there's also, like, I've used it on time, I think for NQ 1, 2, and 3 minute kind of work the best because these are really short targets. And then gold, I've also used it on. I don't really know how I select my brick size, I guess. Kind of just, it depends on the instrument and what I'm looking for. I'm partial to tick charts primarily. This one I picked 52 range because someone else picked 52 range and said that it worked well for them. So a little bit of word of mouth and then a little bit of whatever looks nice to me on a screen.
He's trying so hard to hold on to red here on this 5 minute candle. ES is red, now NQ is red as well. Melodies has started the day by kicking ass. Now we're falling. So CPI candle started at 759. So keep that in mind. Recent low, all the way down at 610 from about 2 hours ago. Overall low of the day is actually is that 610? Okay. 5-minute candle closes red. What a range on it. 953 down to 780. So almost 100, I got 170 point range on the 5-minute candle. Our ATR on the 1 minute is 40. And then it's boom back up. $55 points back up.
Just moving. Just moving.
100 points back up on this 1 minute candle.
I missed another signal. See, that's what happens in the morning when it moves quick like this. I'm not fast enough to the draw.
Yeah, that's why that's where automation, in my opinion, that's the best part of automation is
Entries.
yeah, exactly.
100%.
It nails them perfectly.
Oh, and that signal went away.
Yeah, that's the other issue.
And that's something where, like, I've already kind of thought about that the entry has to be on the candle close, otherwise the signal, it does repaint, which I know some people are really annoyed about that, probably because they are automating, but I don't really care if it repaints because, again, I'll just set that thing where it's like, okay, it has to be at candle close, which will tell me whether or not it went away.
All right, have a great day, Jake. How could you go? Q wants possibly 29,000.
It's looking like it, which means we'll see 30,000 later, right?
Or 22,000.
Yeah. Oh gosh, one or the other.
Well, it just passed the high of the news candle, and there's 29,000. That was an amazing trade, Mel.
Nice, thank you. I wish I could take more credit for it, but I'm happy nonetheless.
Hey, just because it's someone else's system, don't discount yourself because you still have to hit that button to enter that trade. You still
Very
have
true.
to make the decision and have the conviction to execute it.
That's very true, and a very good tidbit to always remember, especially for me. So thank you. These are some just crazy looking 5-minute candles, though.
That's it. ATR is 81.8 on the 5-minute. It's now above 50 on the 1-minute.
Order filled.
And I just accidentally jumped in early on that.
Order filled.
It's okay for 15 points there, 15 and a quarter.
Nice.
Think
Awesome.
think that gets me back to green. Does not? Huh. That's odd. Did I take 2 losses? Maybe I did. I don't know. Either way, we're close to green. Thank you, Ace. And I could have stayed in for a lot more. Wow. Now, wow.
I will say I think I've got that third trail set at a good spot
Yeah, it does seem
because
like
it
it.
is,
Yeah.
yeah, it's very meaningful. I heard someone use that term meaningful trail, and I was like, okay, that's interesting. And that I guess like my second trail I have set up to basically just close if it even goes down, I think that one's set at like 20 ticks, which on NQ and today is 30 seconds at best.
Yeah, NQ could sneeze 20 ticks.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
And look at this pop. Wow.
That's all right, Ace. If I was in that long, I'd type like that too.
Oh, you got yourself a
That one went.
runner.
All right, missed a buy signal. I was wondering why the buy signal didn't come earlier, honestly, but it did
Yeah.
pop. I've got filters on that probably kept it out. I'll have to check those. Still messing around with the chop filter, and there's also a moving average filter that I've been checking too. That one would have been a heck of a trade.
We got a runner!
NQ now within 100 points of its high of the overnight. ES is now giving Ace at least 20 points here.
Very nice.
It's your second 20-pointer in the last 3 weeks, isn't it, Ace? I think it was 2 weeks ago you got that one. I think I just knocked you out, right? Yeah, our ATR on the 1 minute chart on AQ is, excuse me, now 59. Excuse me. Ace can now personally feed an impoverished country. Wow, right back up.
Order filled.
Trying to short. Short's not going to work.
Stop filled.
Darn it.
Ace, where have you been? Just like my 7th trade.
She's been nailing huge trades.
I know, right? He's been in huge ES bangers.
I'm
Yep, I'm in
saying
alone.
you have been in huge trades.
Oh yes, also that.
So humble.
Yeah. I know. It's a good day for runners, really, in general. Runners and 5-point trades, which is essentially what this system is. So it helps.
No wonder I'm not doing well. It's a good day for runners. I can't run. I only got one leg.
Unfair advantage.
Where's the American with Disabilities Act here? Yes, she has an auto trailing stop.
No, Ace, I am individually clicking. No. When it starts to go orange, that's when it's auto, because I'm like, oh, it's just not. It's moving faster than I can even, or the ninja can even move it.
We're very close to the high of the overnight. Very close, but didn't get there yet. And, another nice trade.
Yep. Yeah, that one worked good. I will say I've only missed a couple with these bigger moves too. I always feel like I'm gonna miss more, but so far so good. Thanks, Ace.
Order filled. Target
There
filled.
we go. 139 to 105.
Very nice.
Oh, what did I just do? Well, I took that trade of regular NQ on my MyFunded Futures funded account, and I'm now up $462 on that account. Oops.
Nice. Was a happy surprise.
Wow. That candle went down 89 points. I'm curious why you didn't get a short signal there.
That's definitely the moving average
Okay.
filter. I don't even know exactly what I have it set at. I think I might have it at 50. I used to have it at 20, but I thought the Bollinger Band middle line is already at that for this one, so I tried something else, which I'm not going to complain. It's doing really great, but that one would have been a good trade, and if it continues to run, I'd be like, well, yeah, that's one missed opportunity, but again, no complaints so far. So at least it's trying to get that second leg, which fortunately happens mostly this morning. And then Ace, I did see your question earlier. I have these this particular one is running on a bunch of Apex evals. So no PAs yet, still testing it out a little bit, but honestly, if it passes any of these Apex evals, I'll just run it on that PA too. And we're doing okay on most of them. I have burned a couple. But to be fair, I have also personally traded them, and I did quit personally trading these Apex just for that purpose because I burned the one on my own, all on my own.
You just got a buy signal while you're in the short, didn't you?
Sure did. I was just thinking about what I should do when that happens.
Well, I'm glad you didn't
The answer
follow
might be
it.
nothing.
Yeah, PA just means funded account. Sim funded, Ace.
With a PH.
Yes, means your orders aren't hitting the actual market, but you're still making the money as if it was.
Back under 29.
At that point, when you pass the evaluation, you go to sim funded. With Apex, there is no actual profit split. You get 100% of the first 25,000. At some point, once you prove that you can handle that funded account, they'll move you to a live account. Other firms, yes, there will be a profit split on the sim funded, usually 90-10 or 80-20. Now you know. And prepare, there's going to be a pop quiz on Friday. Yes, Ace. Apex has paid people millions of dollars from sim-funded accounts. Matter of fact, I would say that of the... Hold on a minute. of the $815 million Apex has paid out to traders in the last 4 years, I would say over 90% of it has been from sim funded. Yes, I still need to get you that eval, Ace. I keep forgetting. That's from everybody that buys evals and fails them, and for everyone who pays for the funded account and then blows it without ever getting a payout. You got to remember, people just buy over and over again. Oh, there's hundreds of thousands, Ace. Yeah, but Seth tries to tell everyone prop firms are a scam. Kind of choppy with huge candles here right now.
Very much. I did take a first full loss, I think, on that last signal and possibly this one, which is always good to stay humble.
Now, is that just in the United States, Ace, or is that the world? Because remember, these prop firms cover the world, with the exception of like North Korea. Unfortunately, Kim Jong-un cannot day trade futures with props. I feel like the number's on the higher side there, Ace, just because I know, like, I believe it was my funded features that said they had 20,000 people at a time, and I can't believe they have 10% of all the day traders in the world.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Took that offer, and now it goes. It kept pausing at the same area, so I took it off, and then it went. But I got 21 points on that. And I believe now, yeah, now the take profits are back to green. Looks like I got out at a decent spot. It did go 20 more points, but then bounced again. Uh-oh, my COO just threatened to become Amish.
You know, sometimes I think wouldn't be the worst thing. And then I think, no air conditioning? No, thank you.
Back under 29,000. Back over 29,000. But Ace, you use a bidet.
This one's going to go without me, I think. It's all right. I'm laughing at your use of paperwork, Ace. I'd never thought of it that way.
Doing some paperwork, Ace? Oh. Nice. Move down. we're definitely rangy right now. Big range, but rangy nonetheless.
Yeah, kind of right around that even area too. That's another thing, like anything around the even thousands lately, we've been really like kind of hanging there and magnetizing for at least a few minutes.
So we have the biggest orb I've ever seen. I'm doing math. Hold on. 228 and 19? Is that right? No, wait. No. That's 092. Hold on. 320 point orb. 772 to 092.
That's insane.
That means
That's
we.
insane.
Yeah.
And our 5-minute ATR is over 100.
Yes, it is. Wow.
It's just interesting to see days like this without major catalysts. And I know we have a lot of news this week, and so maybe that's just pumping up the volume, and I don't know, but this is a lot of movement.
What's interesting is oil is heading back up as well. The oil and the indices have kind of decoupled some, it seems like. And it's also interesting as we had hostilities overnight. Uh, uh, U.S. attacked Iran, and Iran sent missiles at Middle Eastern countries, but oil's still below 90. Oh yeah, we also have oil inventories coming up in 20 minutes. As I say, oil's below 90. It's just about to hit 90, but still, it's like you would think with everything going on, oil will be back near 100.
You would really think, yeah.
Now you're just showing off.
That last cell signal, I missed it, and it immediately would have stopped me out, so that's always fun.
Hey, Toad.
Oh, right into a cell.
Seriously, now you just showed off. Okay.
I mean, I'm shocked, so just rolling with it. Maybe I will pass an eval today. Let's see.
Running back upwards. Did not
Might
hit.
get back to the.
That's okay.
Were you gonna say overnight high?
Yes. I was
Me
just going to
too.
say it did not hit the overnight high earlier. It missed it by like 7 points, so it might want it now. Again, it kind of stalls here. Yeah, there. Come on. She's as bad as the kids. Oh, I'm just kidding.
Ooh, didn't fill. This is the kind of stuff. So like it's doing this buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, and it is kind of working. So again, not complaining, but stuff like that kind of. It's like when it gets like that, it makes it hard to get into the trades. Like I didn't want to take this short because it didn't fill right away, and it was right after a buy and all that stuff. So another bonus for automating.
Plus, honestly, if there's many signals as you get, that can eventually get to be mentally taxing.
Oh yeah. Yeah, and I mean, you're just more likely to miss one here or there, which realistically isn't a big deal at all. But it does mess with the statistics and the probabilities of your particular system. So I try to stay aware of that, but at the same time, it's like we're humans, and humans are always going to be imperfect. So there's always a little wiggle room.
Ace, next time you don't make 2 points, I think you know who should go hungry.
Order
I
submitted.
hate taking a trade on a 50-point candle. I hate taking a trade on a 50-point candle. I hate taking a trade on a 50-point candle.
Order
Boom!
filled.
I love taking trades on 50-point candles. That was a 42-point trade.
Dang, all the way into green. That really was a solid trade. Kudos to you for getting in on 50-point candle, because it was solid, but it's scary looking.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I got a really, really fortunate fill on that. Otherwise, it would have. I swear, when I hit the buy button, it should have immediately stopped me out. But because it moved so fast, I got a good fill.
Nice.
So
Very good fill, because look at that go.
It's still going.
Axel at USC. Yep, Ace. I think that she's discombobulating your schedules for the week. Then yep. Just don't tell her I said that because teenage girl rage is scary, or preteen, whichever.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Another 20-pointer there. I have a feeling it's going to go further, but well, bounced. Oh, now it's still going. Let's see how much more I could have gotten here. All right, that's how we got 3 points away from the overnight high, but it still has not touched that overnight high.
I was just gonna ask because I noticed it did on MNQ, but sometimes it's different.
Oh, it did on MNQ?
Oh no, it did not, but I
Okay.
haven't checked regular NQ either.
Yeah, well, got to 166. We needed 169.
So nice. Maybe we'll still get it.
Is that a bird? Ace? Or what is that? Pine. Oh. Oh, weasel. Oh, okay. Martin. I thought I said marlin. No, I never heard of one before. That was a quick move right back down. Crude oil inventory is less than 10 minutes away. We should all take a guess about how many millions the actual number will be off from the estimate.
No kidding.
Right back up into the blue candle for me, but I don't know if I would trust the blue candle here. It's hard to trust. It's giving me blue, red, blue. So I brought up the air conditioning issue to my COO, becoming Amish, and she'll put her bedroom in the ice shed. Things are getting serious. There's your candles that you're using there, or whatever you call them, are looking less refined, a lot more wicky over the past few minutes.
I agree. And I mean, it is nice I haven't gotten a bunch of signals while it's doing that,
Yeah, you get one.
as I said it. Hopefully we're breaking up, though. Out. Not up? I don't know.
Breaking
Out and
up
up.
is hard to do.
That's the one.
I think I have heard of that, Ace. I mean, if you had, I can't picture one. I would have to Google it, but yeah, the name rings a bell. And now we have a new high day, and it just blew through everything up to 209, 210, 213. Do I hear 215? Do I hear there's 216? I got 216.75. Do I hear 217? 217? We got 217. How about 219? We got 219, 220. Do I hear 220? 219 going once, 219 going twice.
I feel like, do you have practice doing that? Because that wasn't too bad.
I was kind of shocked how well that went myself. 231. And whoosh down. At the end of the stream, you're gonna have to give us your totals for the day, because
I will.
you seem to be killing it.
Yep. I have, see, the only bummer, and I'm not going to do this, but I would have passed probably 2 evals if I just kept it on 2 accounts today. But it's spread out over like 9, and it's still working great, so I'm not mad at it.
Order submitted.
This might not go well.
Order filled.
Stopped out.
Cool.
That's okay. Coming right back up above 200. Kind of hits it and pulls back. Our ATR still above 50. JJR, how are you doing in this volatility? Whoosh.
I did not get a fill. That was before crude, too, so it wasn't that.
Not take that. Technically, it was a signal, but it was also a 65-point candle. But the main reason I didn't take it is it was right into a 100 EMA. So, yeah, I'm glad I didn't take it. It's popping back up. "30 seconds to crude." And no, that doesn't mean I'm going to start swearing like a whole bunch. Unless I take another trade and lose. 'Crude oil inventories negative 7.228 million. The forecast was negative 2.2 million. It's only off by 5 million. 'OPEC crude oil output falls to 1.06 million barrels per day month-over-month in May, to the lowest in over 2 decades.
Wow.
U.S. inflation spikes to 3-year high in May as Iran war energy shock persists. And yet, NQ's positive on the day right now. Oil shooting up, back above 90 now. And back to 200. Morning, Hassan. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Rising back up. Hey, that's a new high day. 249. Crude and NQ and ES all going up at the same time. Now ES has not hit its high of the day. NQ has. This candle's more wick than body. It shows me I shouldn't have judged. Yeah, I really shouldn't have judged. Wow. Coming down. Back under 200. Well, we've fallen over 100 points in 3 minutes.
I mean, the 5-minute ATR actually went up from the last time I checked it. So that's interesting.
1 minute's still at 54. And I don't think, I mean, I think this is what we're going to be dealing with at least the rest of this week.
Yeah, if not into next too.
Yeah, I was thinking about that. I mean, normally FOMC weeks are slower and choppy, but with everything that's been going on, I don't know if that's going to be true next week. Now, also remember, we have contract roll next week. Or, I mean, starts this weekend, but I think a lot of people wait now until after Monday to roll. So we also have that to deal with. So we're going to have volume splitting between the two contracts.
That sounds like a mess, honestly. And really just based on where we're at now. If we were even 6 months ago, like splitting half volume, even with a headline here or there, wasn't that much. But with this, like, I don't even know, with split volume, will each contract then trade like it used to because it's got half volume? Like, I don't even know.
I think it could even be more wilder because you're going to have a thinner book.
It, exactly, you're right. Could be crazy.
Is that how you roll, USC?
Having a little trouble with 200.
Yes, it is. Hey, MR, how you doing?
Order submitted.
Ah, dang. Came back up and nailed my stop for 6. I mean, it was only 6 points, but dang it. And right back down.
This is
Nope.
quick.
I should not have re entered there. Maybe I should have. I should not have moved my stop originally, is what I should have done. It doesn't know what it wants to do here right now.
Order filled.
Got back out. It's gonna fall now. So.
Sheesh.
Yep. Dang it. I should have stayed in. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Okay. Wow. Alrighty then. Less than 4 minutes ago, we were at 198. Now we're at 042, so over 150 points in under 4 minutes.
Wow. I think what's weird to me is the 1 minute ATR is literally half of the 5 minute ATR, but one is not half of 5. So I don't even know. That's just indicative to how fast things are going, I guess, but I think it's interesting.
Is that price action good price action? Jay, that's personal preference, really. I mean, if you can handle volatility and big swings, then it's great price action. If it's the kind that kind of scares you, makes you want to stay out, gives you indecision, then it's horrible price action. The quality of price action, for the most part, comes down to the individual trader. I mean, there's sometimes price action is just junk if it's only moving like a few points. You know, really really slow, like a holiday evening or something. But for the most part, price action is based on the trader's personality. Uh-oh. It's coming back. Coming back. No, it's not. Like a range trader and a trend trader are going to see the same day totally different in terms of quality price action. And I'm about to lose my green of the day. Yeah, that was a terrible candle to get on. Dang it. Alrighty. Still falling. Is it going to break 29,000 to the downside? It's been a whole 45 minutes since we saw 29,000. I think so, but honestly, FFN confuses me, and I usually refer questions on FFN to Greg Trades YM, and I haven't seen him in a couple of days. He told me he had to drive up to Tulsa because there was some sort of issue going on with his elderly mother. I haven't heard from him since. No, it's not just you. I have not, because I've been A, lazy, B, focused on MIGHTYOX rips last weekend, and C, lazy. I absolutely hate making slides for the videos. I don't mind recording the videos. I hate making the informational slides that go with what I'm saying. So that's my pain point there.
Is it trauma from school PowerPoints? Or did I just age you on accident by saying PowerPoint? I mean, I made a PowerPoint.
I never had to do a PowerPoint. Uh, it's just.
Well, then, yeah.
I mean, it's honestly, it's just time consuming, and it's laying out my thoughts and then constantly editing and everything like that. So it's like it takes so much time that.
Yeah, just busy work.
Yeah. I'm thinking there's got to be an AI solution to it, but I haven't found it yet. I
think.
Jay, I was before PowerPoints. Okay, I mean, I was bring it in, or write your report, or you could type it out, and bring a report in or whatever on paper, type thing. The closest thing we had to a PowerPoint was the overhead projector.
with like those clear ones that you wrote on with markers.
Yeah.
I had a teacher that used that once, and when I'm not even exaggerating, his notes that he put on the board, 12 point Times New Roman single spaced paragraph form. And that's what we were supposed to take notes off of.
Wow.
I was like, this is fun. I just was like, you just print off copies of your notes and give them to the students. It'd be good enough.
I haven't touched a writing instrument in several months.
If you kept a diary, that could change. And if you just wrote Dear Diary every night, but that's it, then you'd still have to use a writing utensil.
Yeah, I mean, I type. I type everything, or I'm starting to use AI voice. I love Whisper Flow. It's awesome. And so I'm starting to use that. So we're definitely back below 29,000 now as we head down to 28,950. Just about the top of the hour. Nice, Jay. Were you getting paid for that, or were you just offering a free service? This fall breaks 28,900. We were down 150 points on this 5 minute candle. I'm not seeing news that's causing this. I mean, unless the market finally realized that the CPI news wasn't great and Trump threatened Iran earlier, I don't know. And the 5 minute ATR is now up to 116.
This one. That's right. That buy signal came too fast.
Everything is coming fast. Whoosh down. Back up. Whippy. It's a 65.1 minute candle.
Just cruising.
It's a 100.1 minute candle. Oh, I'm not getting in that blue candle. See, this is the type of day. Ooh, that was a nice trade there. Happened very quickly
Yeah.
for you. This is
Yes,
the
it did.
type of day that you feel that a 15-second chart would be better on.
No kidding. Now, did you add more shading to your charts, or is it just that kind of day?
It's just that kind of day.
Okay, I wondered.
The dark blue is when the price is further away from the moving average than the ATR value. The brown shading is when the candle is touching the 9 EMA, and then when it's a lighter blue, that's when both things are happening.
Ooh, okay, very cool.
Yep. I'm out here throwing shade. My future's so bright. I gotta wear shades. 25 minutes to London close.
That was quick.
Giving that whole big blue candle back. So far, we can't say that the this countdown to the London close has been boring today, like we were saying last week.
Very true.
Order submitted.
Trying to go along here. Not working. Darn it. Really? I had a nice little.
Order
Nope,
filled.
stopped out. I had a nice little floating green candle there. I thought I could get it, but nope.
Hey, Ace. Yes, I'm still around. Very quiet, but still here. Sometimes I definitely get hypnotized by charts.
You are getting sleepy. And you want to give the market all your money.
Oh my gosh.
What's your NT question?
Mm. Yeah, Ace, that did actually, I did notice that too. It was weird. It was like you were in a tunnel, and then someone was right next to you just loudly saying order filled, but then you heard it 5 times. So I don't have a fix for that other than rolling back because I was able to roll back my version or whatever, and that fixed it. Honestly, I think with NinjaTrader, Ox has the right idea of like, if it's not broken, don't do anything. So don't update until your indicators quit working or something like that. Um, because right now, I mean, I haven't heard like major issues or anything with the update, but most people who did update wish they hadn't.
You know, I'm part of the Ninja ecosystem, and so I get emails about their new versions when they're still in beta form at times, and like, if you want to try out the beta, and I'm thinking, like, why the hell would I want to do that?
No. No, I think the regular releases are beta enough for at least the first 1,000 users.
'64 white candle, right into the 9. Yeah.
Order submitted.
That was torture, mostly because it just hung around my stop for like 3 different pushes.
Damn it! I should have listened to myself. Why did I take this blue candle?
Order filled.
The heck was that?
Order filled.
Congrats, Ace. Yeah, I think 8163 is the rollback. If you need help figuring out how to do that, I'll look it up right now. I think you just have to log in to your dashboard on the web browser. So just into your own NinjaTrader dashboard and then find the downloads from there. But I'll find specific places here.
Another attempt up.
Order submitted.
I'm getting creamed now trying these longs. We're working.
Order filled.
Going to our low day now, which is 610.
Wow. Just watching it fall. Going for the lows.
Order submitted. Order filled.
There we go. go. 725 to 752 on that one.
Nice.
Nice rise back up. Well, big move back up. 94 points on this 5-minute candle.
What a move up. 5 minutes before London closes. It's hard for me to tell the difference between a pullback and a reversal when they're this big.
We've spent all morning with our ATR above 50.
Just nuts.
Alright, we are about 2 minutes from London close. Once this trade of yours here ends, do you want to show us how you did today, Miss Melody?
Ooh, yes, yes, yes. I'm like, this should stop out here soon. There it goes. Okay. So I'll actually just minimize the chart. These are just sim accounts down here. Okay, every apex. These are all the apex evals I've got, and this is literally how the indicator did today.
Wow. Were
And
you trading them each individually, no copying at all?
correct.
So if you were just trading one, you would have passed.
Yes, most likely yes.
Maybe even two.
Yeah, probably this one was already close-ish. I mean, this one I have highlighted was the closest one to passing, and it's ironically one of the lowest. Yep, the lowest P&L today, which is fine. This one's doing good too. This just don't look at this one.
Well, I mean, out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 accounts, having one red out of 9 is pretty darn good.
For sure. 8, at least like probably 1,000 of this was just me messing around on stupid stuff too. So this one today, this red was definitely the indicator, but the rest of it for the week wasn't. This did incredible today. I haven't had days like this. I'm sure this is not indicative of normal days with this particular indicator, but not. I mean, it was fun. It's a lot of alerts though, like because I did trade individually on 8, 9 different accounts, and it was a lot of trades. So very good day. Appreciate all the kind words from you guys. I hope that we all have days like this many times, many, many times over. So, it was a great day to be with you guys. I think our time's up. London's closed, so the day's over, right?
Absolutely.
No, lots of day to go.
Yep. Series 2 releases in 30 minutes. I gotta go spend a lot of money then. So,
Fun.
so anyway, Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll be back tomorrow for what could be some more wild action thanks to PPI. See you then. Bye.